Hey guys, today's lesson is we're going to be changing fractions to percentages. It's really in preparation for tomorrow's lesson and lessons going forward, and it's something that we're probably going to need a lot in math going forward for the rest of the year. So we're going to take a fraction and we're going to turn it into a percent. Um, so the way we do that is, so say we wanted to rename 6/7 as a percent. What we're going to do is, remember, fractions are actually division. So we take the top number and we divide it by the bottom number. So in this case, it was 6 divided by 7, which comes out to about 0.857. And that's a decimal, obviously. And remember, when we change a decimal to a percent, we end up just moving the decimal place 2 times to the right. And the reason we do that is because it's out of 100. So we're multiplying by 100. And when you multiply by 100, you move the decimal 2 places to the right. So in this case, 6/7 turns into, after we divide 6 by 7, we get 0.857 times 100, which is moving the decimal 2 places to the right, you get 85.7%. So we're going to go on and we're going to do a couple examples together, and then you guys are on your own. So the first example we have is 7/8, and this is the first 5 questions of your actual work, so you might want to do it. So 7/8. So we're going to divide 7 divided by 8, and what you get is 0.875. And from there, you're going to multiply that by 100 to get your percentage. So when you multiply it by 100, you're actually moving the decimal 2 places to the right. So when 0.875 times 100 is 87.5, and don't forget our percent symbol. So 87.5%. Let's do 2/3. 2 divided by 3 is 0.6666, repeating. So I'm going to change that to 0.667. All right? So 667. Now I'm going to multiply that by 100, which is simple as moving it 2 decimal places to the right. So I get 66.7%. 66.7%. Going quickly, I hope it's not too hard. 4 divided by 5, 4 top divided by the bottom, 4 divided by 5 is 0.8. But what I like to do is I like to have 3 decimal places because it makes things a little bit easier. So I'm going to put 0, 0. So 0.800. Now I'm going to multiply that by, you got it, 100, which is as simple as moving the decimal place 2 places. So this is 80.0%, or just 80%. We're going again. 6 divided by 9 is actually going to be the same thing as number 2, because 6/9 reduces to 2/3. So it's 0.667. And I'm going to multiply that by 100. So I do top divided by bottom, multiply it by 100, which is just moving the decimal 2 places to the right. So I get 66.7%. And last problem, 1 divided by 3 is 0.333. And the 3's keep going, so I'm just going to cut it off at the 3rd decimal. And I'm going to multiply that yet again by 100, which is moving the decimal 2 places to the right. So I get 33.3%. Don't forget to put your percent symbols when you're doing your work. Any questions? The Google Doc is already submitted for you guys. You guys just fill in that Google Doc. You already have the first 5 answers, so you got about 10 more problems to do. All right. Have a great day, guys.